I'm going to make some lemon garlic chicken. This is a very simple dish to prepare, but it's full of great flavor and another great dish to cook in the wood-fired oven. The recipe requires that you marinate the chicken first, and I do that at least 4 hours before I'm going to cook. So I'm going to go over that preparation first. To make the marinade, I mix together a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh oregano, and 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh thyme. Four grated cloves of garlic, the zest of 2 lemons plus the juice, two teaspoons of salt, some freshly cracked black pepper, then I'm going to use 8 pieces of boneless chicken thighs, but you can use whatever your favorite cuts of chicken are. Mix all the ingredients together and let that marinate for 4 hours. To prepare my oven, I've placed the fire in the back. That'll give me the full width of my oven to work with. The temperature in the center of the oven floor is around 450 Fahrenheit or 230 centigrade, but I'll still have plenty of variable temperature between the fire and the oven opening if I feel like the chicken is cooking too quickly. When I'm ready to cook, I'll remove the pieces of chicken from the marinade and tuck each piece together and place them in the pan. To that, I'll add 4 halves of lemon, some whole heads of garlic with the tops cut off, and some quartered shallots. With the chicken, I'm going to serve some wonderful roasted potatoes. These are going to go into the oven first, as they'll take a little bit longer to cook. I'll add some more seasoning to the chicken. Drizzle in a little more olive oil, especially over the garlic and the lemons. And then the dish goes into the oven. The chicken should take 30 to 40 minutes depending on the heat of your oven, but if you want to be sure they're cooked through, you should look for an internal temperature of around 170 Fahrenheit or 76 degrees centigrade. Then finally, to go with the chicken, I'm going to roast some bunches of grapes. I love roasting grapes in the oven. I do this all the time. It really brings out their sweetness and adds another depth of flavor. I'll add some sprigs of thyme, place some bunches of grapes on top, and then drizzle over a little olive oil. And those will join the potatoes and the chicken in the oven.